Mike's Adventures at Home!
Why did you laugh then, when I said man delights not me? Because the line sucked! Thank you for your opinion, but that's just your opinion. So, where was it? Why did you laugh then when I said, because the line sucked, didn't you hear me? Don't say it again, it sucked. Listen, man, I'm just trying to do a show here. Yeah, you're a terrible actor. You know what? That's not nice at all. You know what? I could act better. Look, why don't you get up here? Well, I'm up here. Let's do this. Yeah, let's try the fight scene. Yeah, you try the fight scene, brother. I'll take you to town. Yeah. Oh, God. No, 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 no. No. It's terrible.
Who's this?
God, the lighting was so bad.
Patient number 9, Michael Crawford.
Ah,
Listen, you seem like an okay dude.
who's he talking to?
Fuck, we're done.
It's not really a who. It's a what. He's making a video for YouTube. Sketch comedy. He does one every week.
Damn it.
Ah, delusions of grandeur.
Not even. He's a wholly unsuccessful YouTuber in his world he's created. Almost no imaginary people watch his fake videos. It's really quite sad.
So, are they good?
What?
His fake sketches.
Not the delights. What?
Eh.